Here, this is our eShare terminal. Now, the first you need to plug it to the interactive board. Please follow me to the interactive board. Okay, you can see now it's updating. Okay, it is okay now. Connected. Yeah, connected to the computer. Okay. After the light stopped, you can click here. Okay, now it's ready. The light is stopped, right? It stopped lighting, right? You click here. Yes. Now it's prepared successfully. Then you can control it. The mobile phone, control the laptop here. Let's open here. Okay. Control from here. You see that? Okay, that's all. Thank you.